Hello! Today we're going to learn how to draw an elephant. It's a good idea to sketch out some basic shapes for your picture in pencil or light crayon before using a pen to draw out the final line work. So, take your pencil or crayon, draw a big oval. This will be our elephant's body. Then, for the head, draw another, smaller oval. Draw a long rectangular shape for the back leg, then a smaller rectangle for the front leg. Now, let's give him some big flappy ears. Draw two kite shapes either side of the head. We're getting there, but we're missing something important, aren't we? His trunk. So draw a bendy shape that tapers a little to the end. And lastly, another couple of rectangular shapes for his other legs. Now we're ready to make our elephant. Use your pen to draw a nice thick line. Start where the back meets the head and draw around to the top of the back leg. Next, draw a line from the top of his head that curves all the way to the end of the trunk. Now, draw his back leg, a line for his belly, and then his front leg. Draw a short line that meets the bottom of his head, another line to be the bottom of his head, and then finish off his trunk. Now for his front ear. Draw around most of the kite shape, and then do the same for the other ear. Draw in his other legs too, and then add a little curve at the corner of his mouth, and then his eyes. All we're missing now is his tail. A couple of curved lines and a little brushy bit at the end. Now rub out those guidelines. That's how to draw an elephant.